Technology is transforming our world, but at what cost to our environment? From energy-hungry data centers to piles of discarded electronics, the impact is real. That's where green information technology comes in, a movement toward semester sustainable tech solutions. Green IT focused on energy consumption, minimizing e-waste, and promoting sustainable innovation across industries. Join the journey to a cleaner, more responsible future. Power technology guided by sustainable energy. Green information technology refers to environmentally sustainable computing and the use of information technology in ways that minimize negative impact on the environment. It involves designing, manufacturing, using, and disposing of computers, servers, and associated systems effectively and responsibly. Key aspects of green IT: energy efficiency. Using energy efficient hardware and software to reduce power consumption. Example: energy star rated devices. Visualization, cloud computing. Second, sustainable practices. Reduce e-wastage through recycling, reusing equipment, and proper disposal of IT assets. Third, virtualization and cloud computing. Minimizing physical infrastructure by using virtual machines and shared cloud resources to reduce carbon footprints. Fourth, green data centers. Designing data centers to optimize power and cooling systems using renewable energy sources and efficient layouts. Fifth, paperless workflows. Encountering digital documentation and reducing paper usage. Sixth, remote work and teleconferencing. Reducing travel and its environmental impact through digital communication tools. Seventh, lifecycle management. Ensuring IT products are designed for long life, upgradability, and recyclability. Green information technology refers to environmentally sustainable computing practices that aim to minimize the negative impact of IT on the environment. Its effects on nature and the environment can be broadly categorized as follows. Positive effects of green IT on nature and environment. 1. Produced energy consumption. Energy efficient hardware and data centers lower electricity uses, reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Second, lower carbon footprint. Virtualization, cloud computing, and efficient server use reduce the need for physical infrastructure, minimizing emissions. Third, decreased electronic waste or e-waste. Promotes recycling, reusing, and responsible disposal of electronic devices, lessing toxic waste in landfills. Fourth, conservation of resources. Encourages use of renewable energy sources and sustainable materials in tech production. 5. Paperless systems. Digital records and communication reduce the need for paper, helping conserve forests. 6. Remote work and teleconferencing reduces the need for travel, cutting down the fuel use and air pollution. Smart systems for environment monitoring. Stable systems that monitor population, manage water uses, and optimize energy use in cities and industries. Green IT is expected to have a significant positive impact on human life in future by promoting sustainability, health, and efficiency. Here are some key effects. First, healthier living environments. Cleaner air and water due to reduced emissions from energy efficient IT infrastructure. Smart cities using green IT and manage waste, pollution, and traffic, improving the public health. Again, sustainable work and lifestyles. Remote work reduces commuting stress and improve work-life balance. Digital collaboration tools lower the need for travel and printed materials. Third, economic benefits. Energy savings from efficient devices and systems reduce operational cost. Green jobs in tech and environmental sectors offer new employment opportunities. Fourth, enhanced education and awareness. E-learning platforms enable eco-friendly education with reduced paper use. Digital awareness campaigns promote sustainable living practices. Fifth, smarter consumption. Green IT devices help users monitor and reduce their energy use at home. Sustainable supply chains give consumers eco-friendly product choices. Sixth, greater climate resilience. Data analytics and AI help predict climate patterns and prepare for disasters. Early warning systems reduce risks and save lives. 7. Ethical and responsible tech use. Future focus on eco-friendly designs and ethical disposal will reduce long-term environmental and health risks. Green IT refers to environmentally sustainable computing and IT practices. Here are some key advantages. First, energy efficiency. Green IT reduces energy consumption through efficient hardware, virtualization, and optimized data centers. Second, cost savings. Lower energy use and reduced wastage lead to lower operating cost over time. Third, environmental protection. Minimize carbon footprint, electronic waste, and pollution through responsible recycling and eco-friendly practices. Fourth, regulatory compliance. Helps organizations meet environmental regulations and standards, avoiding fines and snatch laws. Fifth, brand image and reputation. Demonstrating environmental responsibility improves public reception and can affect eco-conscious customers and investors. Six, extended equipment file. Extend use and maintenance practices extend the life of IT hardware, producing replacement needs. Seven, innovation and competitive advantage. Encourages innovation in energy efficient technologies which can lead to a competitive edge in the market. Here are the main disadvantages of green IT technology. First, high initial investment. Eco-friendly equipment and infrastructure can be expensive to purchase and install. Second, complex transition. Moving from traditional systems to green IT often involves complex changes, including returning stuff and updating policies. Third, performance trade-offs. Some green devices or systems may prioritize energy efficiency over speed or power, which can affect performance. Fourth, limited vendor support. Not all IT vendors offer green solutions, limiting options for organizations looking to go green. Fifth, upkeep and monitoring. Maintaining green IT systems may require ongoing monitoring and specialized skills to ensure efficiency. Short-term ROI. While green IT saves money over time, the return on investment may not be immediate. Conclusion. Green IT plays a vital role in promoting environmental sustainability by reducing the ecological footprints, computing systems, and digital infrastructure. By adopting energy-efficient hardware, optimizing software, and digital infrastructure. By adopting energy-efficient hardware. Thanks for watching the video. If you learned something new, give this video a like and share it with others. Subscribe for more science and technical topics. Tap the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. Our next topic will be transmission lines.